What's up everyone, it's me, yours truly, John Valencia, and welcome back to Chulation Diaries. We are going to do the reaction video for ASAP Divas with Divine Diva, Shasha Padilla, and of course, Asia Songbird, Regine Velasquez Alcacid. And of course, nakubalita ko na bumalik na si Morissette sa ASAP. Kaya naman kasama siya dito sa ASAP Divas for today, and we're so excited for that. Kaya naman, ano pa bang inaantay natin mga kapamilya? Syempre, let's go. Check this out. Alright, we're playing in 3, 2, 1, and go. Here it is, guys. Hindi rin nga si Angeline. Mga ano, icon. Clan. Yang. Oh, yung ano. Mori. Namimigay agad si Mori. Pitch Perfect. Mayora. Ay, wala si Angeline. Ganda ng gown ni Miss Shasha. Look at Yang's corset. Nakakamiss si Mori. Ni Shasha bumibigot. In fairness guys, this is a good lineup of divas. Kaya lang wala si Angeline. Sayang. At saka sila Mariel, no? Sana magkaroon ulit ng ganung segment na new gen divas din. All we have to do now is take these lives and make them true somehow. All we have to see that I don't belong to you and you don't belong to me. Yung Mayora. Ang ganda pala ng damit ni Clan. Go Clan. Public Mary. Ooh, yeah. Hey. Very breath of fresh air na ganitong genre ang kinakanta nila. Sino? Clown. The legs, very soulful. Yang, a rock star na bumibirit. Wait lang, parang pinapauwian ni Miss Reg yung lahat Uy, ako na to. Kaya ko na to. Tabog, grabe. Above 50 plus years old. Years old, Pero nakita nyo naman, iba pa rin ang birit ng isang Regine Velasquez. Balikan natin. Very iconic. Give natin yung kay Mami Reg. The Queen. And the Shasha Padilla way naman. Siyempre, let's give it to Mori as well. Grabe. There you have it, guys. That is As of Divas with Divine Diva Shash Badilla and of course Miss Reg. Grabe, grabe, grabe. It's like what I said, ano siya, parang it's a breath of fresh air na ganitong genre. It's just a one song off, pero yung vocal spectacle, the dynamics, and yung showcasing each and everyone's versatility in terms of genre of music. Tapos pinapakita pa rin yung spirit powers ng bawat isa. Grabe yun. And grabe, bow down to Miss Reg for doing this kind of performance at her age right now. Wala na siyang kailangan patunayan. She's really a queen pagdating sa biritan, but she still showcase what the people will make, will make our heart full of love for her. Grabe. And we adore her. Anito yan. Talagang legend together with Miss Shasha. And this new divas that we have, of course, sila Morissette, sila Mayora, si Yang, at saka si Clang, ay exceptional din. Grabe. Sana nandito rin si Angeline, no? Para kumpleto si Ricardo sana. But, of course, baka busy ang Angge, or hindi siya nakapag-rehearsal for this part, kaya wala siya for today's video. But, overall, nonetheless, it was a spectacle of divas of ASAP. Grabe. And, of course, I love ko na nag-enjoy kayo. Kaya naman, it's a wrap with our reaction for today. If you enjoyed this reaction video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Once again, my name is John. This is Tradition Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.